Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So on the DXY monthly, I still see the very likely possibility that this is the end of a wave C right here. If this is the end of a wave C, I still think that this is more likely to keep on trending down, making lower lows, lower highs, probably eventually going all the way down and taking out these lows, because that's what happens at the end of a big ABC correction, whether you're on the monthly, the 1 minute, or anything in between. So let's head down to the weekly time frame and switch back to the dollar index. On the weekly time frame, I still see that this right here is a downtrend. Kind of looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. This move up right here is very steep. On the shorter time frames, it looks like we may have already ended a correction. But on the weekly, it kind of looks to more like it wants to go up and maybe make a wave C, maybe an ABC of 2, and then eventually head back down for a wave 3. So keeping all that in mind, let's head down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, like I said, this move up does kind of look to me like a complete correction, mostly because this move down to me looks like a trend. That is not the shape of a correction, that is the shape of a trend, which still makes me think that this move up may be a correction to this move down right here. So the idea that this is going to go up to make a big wave C and take out this high is definitely not confirmed yet. We don't have any breakup structure to the upside yet, and price could always end up going back down. Also, another possibility is, like I said, we're just going to make a correction to this last move down, and if that's the case, it probably will break structure, but it will most likely make a lower high, and just keep on going down. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, it definitely looks like this is all a correction, but the fact that it went up and touched this level right here, which is the level that will tell us that this whole move down is over on the daily, and it made a big bounce, does make you wonder if it's actually going to end up going up. This right here looks to me like 3 waves down. That makes me think that this is impulsive, this is going to be corrective, and that it probably will break structure, and it probably will make a move to the upside. Like I said, it still could be a wave C, it just may end up being a bigger ABC correction. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, like I said, this to me looks like an ABC correction. If this right here really was the end of a wave C, then price would be trending down. It wouldn't still be overlapping like that. And then this move up right here looks very impulsive. This move down is strong, but it did make 3 waves down. I do think that we are probably more likely to go up, and we probably are more likely to break this structure. Like I said, it still could be a wave C on the longer time frames, but as of now, we're just going to have to observe to see what the pattern is that it makes on like the 4 hour and daily, so we can find out whether this is going to be like a wave C or whether it's going to be like a wave 3 of wave C, making that big ABC pattern like I showed on the weekly time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.